Hello everyone. In today's session, we are solving an important MCQ on aldehydes and ketones. Make sure to watch the video until the end as I have included a bonus question for you to solve. Comment your answer below and I will provide feedback on your answer. First, I am going to explain the reactions one by one in detail and then I'm going to give you a trick how you can find out what is the final product in one step. So let's get started. The given reactant is where the phenyl is attached to a ketone and there is also an aldehyde in the molecule like this. It is first treated with lithium aluminium hydride. Lithium aluminium hydride is a strong reducing agent. It reduces both aldehyde and ketone because it furnishes hydride ions which will attack both aldehyde and ketone and it's going to form O minus ion like this. But since there is a water given here, in one step you can write that it's going to form an alcohol like this, right? So both 1 and 2 reactions together, it's going to form the product like this. So since aldehyde is there, we are going to get a primary alcohol. And since there is a ketone, we are going to get a secondary alcohol like this. Now, what is the third reaction? That it's going to be treated with an aldehyde. And here it is formaldehyde like this. And it's in presence of an acid. So that is acting as a catalyst here. So the moment you see that there is a diol and an aldehyde, that means what? There is a formation of hemiacetal followed by acetal because 1 mole of an aldehyde reacts with 1 mole of alcohol to form hemiacetal followed by again reacting with 1 more alcohol to form the acetal. So what happens here is you see that this OH and this OH both will attack this and it's going to form a cyclic structure like this, right? So you see the oxygen will remain as it is. This is a carbon we are talking about, right? And then what about the hydrogen? They will also remain as it is. So this will be our final product M. Now, where do we have this? Analyze it carefully. So there is a phenyl, right? Then there is oxygen here, right? And 2 hydrogen and methyl. So this itself is a correct structure. In case of option B, the methyls are on adjacent carbon, not possible. Here, the acetal formed is on the terminal carbon. This is also not possible. And here we have 2 methyl on the same carbon. So this is also not possible. Therefore, the right option is as shown in option A. Now, how do you do this in one step? In one step, what you can do is in the reactant itself, you make this as OH, right? And then there is an aldehyde like this, right? So you see the H2O will get eliminated and it's going to form a bond like this. So you need to have a phenyl, which we have here, and then you have a 6-membered ring. So we have a 6-membered ring here and there are 2 hydrogen here. And then what about the methyl? As it is. Therefore, the correct option is option A. Like this, you don't have to write the detailed mechanism and you can save some time and find out what is the final product. Students, remember, generally we use this kind of reactions in production and deproduction of certain functional groups. I'm going to include a question at the end of this video. Please do solve the question and if you have any doubts, you can always ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Until next time.